going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make a thumbnail. So what we're going to do is go on Microsoft Edge and search up Photopea. And once you've done that, it'll bring you on this screen here. You press New Project and make sure it's on 1280 by 720. The background, you wanted to put it on transparent, and you create it. Now, if you want to have a background, just go over here. I'm just going to search up 1280 by 720. I'll just put Dropless wallpaper. I like this one. As you can see, it's 1280 by 720. So you just got to save that image and put it as... Oh, I think that made it happen. You got to do on droplets. I was going to put 2. Save that. You see it saved. You want to go on Photopea, File, Open and Place. Then go on here, Open. Okay, now we have it. Now, if you want to just, let's just say, I'm going to probably borrow a thing from my YouTube, from the thumbnail. Just find it. I just named it anime because it kind of looks like an anime photo. Yeah, you can do that and make sure it is a PNG. If it's not PNG and it comes up with like the white background, go over to Kapwing, and as you can see from my recent one, yeah, you see this. I don't know how I can do that. Anyway, so what you wanted to do, you want to go on Erase, and then you just click the background and then remove pixels, and then it'll be there. And then you press Done, and it'll upload, and then you can export that image. I'll just make it easier. So I think there was one. What's that one? That's the same one I just did. Okay. This one, it's not a PNG. Upload, please. Let me just delete these ones because I don't need that one. There we go. Alright, see, this said it was a PNG, but it's a fake PNG. So you wanna click on it. Go. No, click on this one. Erase, magic wand, click the back, and as you can see, it's highlighted. All the things. Remove pixels, and then just click these white parts, and you have it. And then press Done, and then yeah, I'll upload. And then you can export it. Now you have that. If you want to blur the image, you can. Okay, so go. Alright, go on Droplets, Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur, and you can like see how much you want to blur it. I like it blurred like that, around 10. But you know. Sorry about that, my mum just came in the room. Yeah, you got that, and now I just I don't know what I did there, so I'm just gonna delete that. Just another droplets. There you go. Right, you go Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. I like it on 10. It's a pretty nice blur image. If you want to add text, click on it. That's too small, so I like it like that. You can do. I keep accidentally recording. It's very, very annoying. Anyway, so just say how to make a thumbnail. There you go. Remove that. If you want to change it, just double click on the how, and then you can. I'm going to put an outer glow on it, an inner glow on it, a texture, and that. and it'll be like that. I'm gonna do the same with the others. Outer glow, inner glow, texture, boom. That, and then you could just say YouTube, so you could just have a YouTube logo. I don't know where it went. Oh. Yeah, I can move that up. This is literally my thumbnail that I have on the video right now because I don't know what other thumbnail to make. Say if you've just made your thumbnail like that. Oh yeah, border. You can add a border. Okay, so down here I just did it again. I don't know why I keep doing that. There, wait, hold on. There we go. And then you gotta click on this. Make sure that is on that, and then on red, and then white. And then you're gonna choose this, go from the corner to that corner. Now I think, yeah, you can make it a border like that. I like it on 48. Somebody can't get to it. There you go. And then the border's just not gonna be like this. Okay, you're gonna double click on the no, I didn't. No, it is, and then just go on normal and then overlay. Then you can see there's a border going around it. This is literally my thumbnail on the video. Anyway, after you've done it, like made the thumbnail, I'm gonna go on File, Export as PNG, and then just zoom out with your mouse wheel, save, and it's saved. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you did find it helpful, click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.